Hello everyone, I'm Lorena Leon and welcome back to my channel where we talk about the amazing art of cleaning. If you are new or have not yet subscribed, hit this button and just like that you will be helping a local entrepreneur. How cool is that? Today we will be cleaning this beautiful shower glass because trust me, shower glass doors are so gorgeous. But they do require constant cleaning. So let me show you how to do it fast and most importantly, perfecto. Here is what you need. Put your gloves on. Get your favorite bathroom cleaner. A small threaded stick, like piñata size. The brush to go with your stick. A flat cleaning pad and some extras just in case. Some glass cloths and a squeegee. It's optional, use only if you want to speed up the process. Let's get started. Spray the inside of the glass with your favorite bathroom cleaner to get rid of soap scum or soap residue and watermarks. Then scrub using your brush attached to a small stick. The reason why I recommend a small stick is because showers are usually small spaces and a large stick might be difficult to handle, which may cause higher risk to hit and chip or break your glass. We don't want that. Then rinse the glass with fresh, clean water. If you have a hose shower head attachment like this one, makes the job 10 times easier. If not, use a small jug to rinse. Here you have two options. Number one is leave it alone, wait, do nothing, and let it air dry almost completely. Or, if you want to get this done faster, grab a squeegee and help the water slide down like this. Then grab your flat pad and retouch any missed spots by buffing dry. Off like a professional, detail and polish the chrome accessories so what is supposed to shine does shine. That's all. 100% perfection all around. This, my friends, is a fail-proof technique that took me years to develop. And after cleaning hundreds of glass showers, and here it is, for you, for free. Shiny, clear, transparent, and spotless. Just the way, I like it, Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Ciao!